In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the epic Chelsea F.Torres pack in eFootball 2025. I'm going to show you how to get it, so please watch till the end of the video. Now, Konami has announced this for Japan users only. You can check what country you're currently registered in by opening up your game, go to user information, go to user personal information, and you'll see the country region that you're registered in. Now you cannot change this after you have made it, so you need to make a new account and register it within Japan. The next step is to use a VPN to go to Japan. It doesn't really matter which VPN you use. VPN Japan is a free VPN for mobile phones, so you can try using that. After you have connected via VPN, go to the link in the description. That will bring you to the Konami Japanese website. Now log into your Japanese using your Konami ID. And after you have logged in, you will see this page where you can buy it. Congratulations, you have got it. If that worked for you, please give the video a like and give my channel a subscribe. Thank you very much.